If you're considering switching phone carriers, Spectrum Mobile is worth a look if you're already a Spectrum Internet customer. That's the catch. It's only available to existing Spectrum subscribers. The good news is it runs on Verizon's network, meaning you get strong nationwide coverage and solid speeds, even in rural areas. Plans are simple. Unlimited data starts at $30 per line with multiple lines, or $45 for a single line. And there's a buy the gig option at $14 per gigabyte. There are no hidden fees, taxes are included. However, unlimited plans are subject to deprioritization after 20 gigabyte, meaning your speeds might slow during peak hours. Both plans include hotspot access, though speeds are limited, making it fine for web browsing but not ideal for streaming or gaming. You can bring your own compatible phone or buy one through them. Customer support is average, and the mobile app is straightforward for managing data and billing. Overall, Spectrum Mobile is best for existing Spectrum Internet users who want Verizon level coverage at a lower price and don't need unlimited high speed data. It's a practical, no frills option that delivers on price and coverage.